use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
That's the hot seat, buddy. That's the hot seat. These ports here, if you look at them, they're 52 inches long. They go to the bottom of that. That gets me down at 22.
You can't even see the end of it so far.
It's there. It's two of them.
So this will go all the way to about...
That goes all the way to the back, minus 6 inches. The bottom of that
wow.
box. That gets me all the way to 22. And this is the top for that six order. This box here is sealed here. It goes through the other side of this box. It's separate, and it's sealed on the other side. It's just used as
so this is a separate chamber.
This is a separate. This is my first box, 2022 Slam Logic.
And you kept it. You've kept it since then. Okay.
And I just used it.
Wow.
I hid that port. I had to hide that port somewhere. Inside that box.
It works.
Serious mid base. Everything. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All my mids and highs and stuff.
And these are 3s?
Yeah, 4 inch.
4 inch.
4 inch. Yep.
4 inch.
4 inch ports.
And this is all one chamber between the 3 subs?
Huh?
One chamber between the 3?
Yep.
Or you have them split up?
No, it's all, one chamber.
Okay.
One shared chamber all the way through. These ones have a little bit of tube in it.
So this is going through.
The bottom of this that's parallel 6.
That's wild.
Until you shut this door.
Yeah.
Then it becomes a parallel 8th order. I got this tuned about 90, 80.
Wow.
It's my thinking. It bangs back here.
I was gonna say, yeah.
And I can turn these on or off. I can turn them off and ride. Turn them on or off. You know what I mean? Then I got my 10s up front. Climb through there and look at it if you need to right now.
Wow.
I'll get this door when it gets there.
You're good. Whoa, this looks really nice.
It's unique, man.
Who built this?
I did, every bit of it. Third year into it, my first build. Them 3 right there are mid base. Them 3 12s right there are mid base. The back one's a parallel 6. This here is just mid base right here, these 3.
Whoa.
They got their own ports, okay? That port right there at the bottom, see the ports in the front? Those are 62 inches long. They go to the bottom of that 6 order in the back.
This is something I've never seen.
I'll blow your mind, man. I got 10s behind the seats.
Okay.
I can turn every amp on. I can individualize everything. All my mids and high amps are up front. All my other amps are in the back.
That's wild.
Yeah, I'll get you a demo later.
Can I look at the back too?
Yeah, oh yeah. I can get the door open. I gotta wait for my drunk son.
You're good.
I can't fit back there, man. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, these 6 here run off of these amps. This amp runs them 3 mid bass up front. I can run down the road whatever I want. If I want to roll it early or just halfway.
Are you able to turn subs off in the front?
Yeah,
and the
everything. I control the horns, the tweeters, the 6.5s, the 8s, the 10s, the mid bass, the punch, everything. I control everything. Yep.
Are you running any of these down in the dirt, or are they all clean signal?
0.5.
Okay.
Oh no, 0.67.
0.67.
This one runs 3 of them. This one runs 3 of them, and then this one runs the other 3.
Okay.
So yeah, and they're down to 6.7, and they get down pretty good.
So this is ported into the chamber of the vehicle?
Yeah, this is a parallel 6. The ports in the bottom of that black box are to go to the bottom of this.
Okay.
They're 61 inches long.
That's
they
what you're
just go
showing me.
through that black box.
Got it.
Sealed off.
Okay.
It's a parallel 6. I shut the door. It's a parallel 8.
Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I like it, dude.
It's a crazy setup, man. Ain't been able to figure it out on the Facebook, then I started showing them. You see them ports on the bottom down there?
Yeah.
The bottom of that black box?
So these are 2 8-inch air ports?
Yeah.
Or 7.5s or something like that. 8s.
Yep. Yeah, they go all the way. They go all the way to the bottom of that other box. They just seal off that black box. It's just a mid box. It's got 4-inch ports for it. Just for that, I can just run that one, or I can run the 10 behind the seat.
Wow.
Just, and then when I get down, I can turn them on.
So this is so these 3 subs are a separate chamber.
Yep.
Okay.
They're tuned about probably 34.
Okay.
And they got 4 ports right there. I just run those separately. I run all the way down the road all day long like that, with mama songs.
Wow.
And when I want to get down, I turn the back 6 on, and then because it's a parallel 6 with that side door open. It's a parallel 8 with the door shut.
Okay.
2 brand X's up under there.
Okay.
One over there, one on the other side.
Wow. That is wild. And this is in a Astro
all-wheel drive.
Okay.
Yep.
Woo. And you're called the
Blastro van.
Blastro van. All right.
2 smiles right there, baby.
Okay.
So we don't go for no wars. All you do is smile. We put on the smile. We come from all the way from Ohio by Cedar Point.
Okay.
We're driving everywhere though. 300,000 miles under those things.
Wow. Did you ever do SPL tests?
157 on music, man.
Okay.
That's what I'm running right now. It's just that roll factor. I don't care to get it much higher. I'm breaking door handles and that's enough. You know what I mean? I'm not.
Yeah.
I want to enjoy it. Put as many kids in here. I want to keep driving it.
That's right. Yeah.
That's my goal. My my son's got a burnt bill. My daughter's got a burnt bill like this. They run in the lanes and all that kind of stuff, trying to get it there moving to 160 and stuff.
Yeah.
I'll just,
Yes, sir.
I'll just keep it going. Yeah, 5 through there. Hey, feel free, man. Whatever you want to do. Yeah,
This is crazy.
Yeah, I can't wait to get his door for you. You really like it. Put the fucking shine on that stuff, man. It looks so good.
Do you know anything about like the tunings?
Tunings were
variations.
22, 44.
Okay.
We're about 12 and 11 cubes. It's almost about a 1-to-1 back there.
Okay.
So, and then we're tuned to about 34 on the mid bass right there.
Yeah. Wow. So these subs, are they?
The ones in the back are V2 resilience, just regular golds. The front ones are golds, V1s.
Okay. But you have them all phased to where they'll play at the same rate, movement wise, or?
These ones up in the front, I just turn them as high as I can get them. They're around that 30. They'll help out around 30, 40.
Okay.
You know, I don't need them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I let them just hang down a little bit. I'll
Okay.
pull the seat up and show you behind this seat here too. Got a seat behind there. I got that going on for a little bit of mid-bass lumbar.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I can control that amp too. It's not, all the mids and highs are all up front on there.
Wow. Okay. I don't think I've ever seen something of this magnitude like this. This
It's
is
a little different. That's what I kind of went for, just above and beyond, find something that no one has done. Nice shirt, you know. And I got all my little bass heads here in Florida, all wearing the same shirt. And I drive it, 314,000 miles on it, 8,000 pounds. I drive it everywhere. We drive it all over, man. We just go everywhere.
Your name?
Joe Bishop.
Joe Bishop, and the name of the vehicle?
Blastro van.
Blastro
Team
van.
Smiles.
Okay, Team Smiles.
Team Smiles. Look
Awesome.
at all my little babies, man. They're-
Every angle I look, you got so much custom work.
Next time you see it, it'll have this. It'll have
This
a
is
gull wing
crazy.
door. It'll have a seat back
Yeah.
there. Next time you ever see it,
Wow.
You know, it's gonna move up. I'm just trying to get it to where I like what I like, and then
Yeah.
we'll move on.
So much fab work, man.
That's my trip.
How many hours do you think you got in here?
I've only owned a van for 3 years, and I've probably got about, I mean, I put some serious, a lot more thinking than time. Once I think for an hour, I can work 15 minutes and get all this done. You know, all this shit. It don't take me long to jam this together. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I do woodwork for a living. You know, that's what I used to, but I'm on disability.
That's
now,
awesome,
so
dude.
This is my thing now. So.
Yes, sir. All right, man.
Yeah, definitely. I'll get the door open for you next time you come around and
Okay.
get you a good demo all day.
JacobViral. Let me take a picture real quick and I'll get a demo. Is there a way I can get this out for the picture?
Yep, absolutely. Do what you want to do with it.
Wow.
The door is not open. So I got it open an hour. Look at hours. It's not there. Kids just found it. It's a hair. That's put it right there. That's the vibration.
So you can play only certain tones until this is shut.
Yep.
Like the way it loads.
33. I can play lower shit, but I just can't play it as loud.
Got it, yeah.
I can play 22 with it open because it's a parallel
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
They don't need the whole chamber.
Wow, this is crazy. All right. So you're from Ohio,
Did I
right?
give you lows or highs? I'll give you lows again.
Lows, yeah, lows.
Yeah, we'll do lows, then we'll get you something that ain't so fucking loud.
And all of these mid-range and tweeters are in its own chamber as well?
I can turn on right here. I can turn on the tweeters, the horns, 6.5s, 8s, ones behind
Really?
the 10s behind the seats. This row right here, the 6 in the back.
So you can control.
And the DSP.
That's
Absolutely.
sweet.
And then I can tune it more with the DSP individualized.
Yeah.
So if something's going wrong, I can kind of feel it, hear it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's awesome. Wow.
I built it for doors.
It's a different
I can play
bandwidth
with
too.
that door open.
Yeah, man.
It ain't gonna unlock no more.
That's crazy.
I locked it for your video.
No, we're good. You're good.
It blows that door wide open. I got.
It does?
Oh yeah. If you've seen a video on the outside, I can put I'll put one on.
It just flexes, yeah.
I'll get you some. You could.
The bandwidth is insane.
It's there.
And you learn.
Everything. I know where it's at. The DSP. I got
Yeah.
that figured out all the way around. I can play any song.
Anything. Open the doors, open the windows, everything you can work with it. Yep.
It works.
That's
You wouldn't
crazy.
think it would work with the doors open, but after
It does.
With the doors open,
That's-
you close it and it chokes it down
Yeah.
and it just gets more efficient.
Blastrovan is a good name for
Blastro Man,
this.
yep, Blastro
Awesome, man.
Team Smiles, man.
Team Smiles. appreciate it, man. That's crazy. Miles, I appreciate it, man. That was awesome.
Yep.
You have a good day. Stay cool.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir,
appreciate
man.
it.
Yep.
Y'all from Ohio?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Savannah, Georgia's a lot closer.
New London, Ohio. buddy.
All right.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop